Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports here. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a brown interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see our GLE 350 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Look at our rear seats next. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Alright, we'll take a look at our driver's side next. We've got power memory seats on the driver's side here. Door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And let's hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 32,732. A push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we've got our climate controls, including heated seats. We've got our command module here for making adjustments on the display, as well as various sport and traction modes here. And the Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.